So it finally came in, and I'm super excited to show you. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. And today, finally came in. The one thing I've been waiting for. It got here a little sooner. It's supposed to have gotten here about 3 or 4 days from now. So I'm really pumped. And this could be a difference changer. And based on the title of this video, you probably already know what it is. So I'm not going to try to pretend like you're on a cliffhanger here. But as most of you remember, I had issues with the previous action camera that I've been using, the Osmo Brave 4 and the Brave 7, because it was limited to having a wired lavalier mic for audio. That's all it had. And so it wasn't able to use any wireless type of mic. But today, the DJI Action 3 arrived. And for some reason, I feel like it could be a difference maker. Let's check it out. So here it is. Oh, yes, there is the Osmo Action 4, and I'm pretty sure at any time soon there'll be an Action 5, but I was doing the reviews and I was reading and watching review videos on this as well as the specs, and there's not a whole lot of difference between the Action 3 and the Action 4, mostly in like low lighting conditions. I guess the 4 does some things better, but I didn't just get the camera. I actually went ahead and got the Adventure Combo. So what I'm going to do right now is open this up and show you what this box has. Personally, I feel like the Adventure Combo was a better investment, just because of the things that it had are things that I probably would have had to have purchased separately anyway. And so you do get the heart and soul, the heartbeat, the Action 3 camera there. This looks like it's like a charging case that also holds the 3 batteries that the Adventure Combo comes with, as well as these may be the batteries, or no, these are the mounts here. This is probably like the extension stick there. And I don't know, I'm going to go through all of these different things. But yeah, it finally came in and I'm super excited. I actually bought a couple of things already that came in that I've been waiting for this day to come. One of the items I had already purchased, and this is like an off-brand. The brand here is Skyreet? I don't know. But either way, this is a durable case. It's got a great padded material, but it's pretty rugged on the outside. It seems like it'll be, you know, a protective case in terms of drops. And this may be like water resistant, maybe even scratch resistant. But this is a case that I had purchased that is specifically for the Action 3 Adventure Combo. So it'll fit all the accessories in here, as well as, and this is something else that I had, it's the DJI Wireless Mic system. So this is the 2 mic combination with the receiver there and the 2 transmitters there, self-charging case. And so this case here actually is made for this as well, because it has a compartment right there. Everything fits perfectly. And I did step out on a limb and buy like an additional, this is like a metal type of case for the action camera itself. I think it comes with one. I have to see what's actually in the box. I think it comes with its own case already, but reading reviews, I think it might just be a plastic case in this box. But this one here is more like a metal, more protective case there, as well as like an attachment here, or this little groove for the code shoe mounts. It's supposed to have an easy drop panel for the battery, maybe off to the side. Anyway, I'm going to get more familiar with that. But yeah, that's what I have so far. And all I was waiting for was the Action 3 to come in. And here it is. Here it is. I'm just going to get familiar with this, but I just wanted to post a video. This is raw excitement that you're feeling. It's like unscripted. I didn't plan this at all, but I did come home and found that this had been delivered. So I feel like this could be a difference maker. I'm hoping that I learn how to use it effectively. I've been watching so many videos. I feel like I've put in at least a few hours, if not more, of research on people doing videos on the 3, all the comparisons with the different GoPros and all of the different, you know, Action 4, even the Akaso, the different Brave 7s, Brave 8s. And I don't know, it just feels like there's so much competition. But yeah, so far, I mean, I'm just feeling this. This is my first time touching it. It feels great. I just really hope that it lives up to the hype and that I learn how to use it effectively. As most of you know, I'm still learning this entire like vlogging with different camera accessories. But this to me was a long process to pull the trigger and invest in something. I was just going to go with the GoPro just because that's what everyone knows. But yeah, for some reason, this just kept coming back up, and I decided to buy the Adventure Combo like I mentioned, and here it is. So we'll see what happens. This may be my go-to camera, and the Akaso Brave 7 that I have may just become a backup, especially because I have a lot better audio with the DJI 2 mic, wireless mic setup right there. What do you guys think? Do you folks think this is a good investment? Do you think this creates good quality video and audio with the wireless mics? Leave a comment below if any of you own this one. If you have any tips of how to get like the best video quality, like what are your settings that you use for the Action 3? How do you set up your camera when you're recording outdoors? Or I just, you know, I'm open to all suggestions, all pointers that you may have for those of you who's experienced. Again, I'm the new guy. I'm just arriving at the table, so I'm still trying to meet everybody that's already traveled this road. So what are your thoughts of having an extra case like this? Is this a good investment? Is it a necessary? I know the Ulanzi, I think they have a lot of attachments and things for this brand as well. And I did invest in a couple of their little quick release clips. But for today, I'm just going to end the video here without dragging on too long. If you think this was a good investment, leave a thumbs up. Go ahead, smash that thumbs up button. If you feel like this is going to create better videos than the ones that I've been creating, hit the subscribe button so you can see the progression, hopefully, of videos to come. So yes, today's a big day for me. I feel like it's graduation day from a budget type of camera to something a little more robust, maybe something, you know, a better investment for the channel as a whole. And it's not just for YouTube. I mean, I may be using this documenting other videos, family videos and whatnot. Speaking of family, I got my partner in crime over here who, where is he at?
Hello.
So what's cool about this is Zeke is also starting to take a liking to vlogging as well as YouTube. You know, he's watching a lot of YouTube videos. And so we're kind of bonding over all of this too. So I know some people have made comments. It probably seems like I'm stepping out on a limb, which I am. You're not wrong. But this is a new chapter for me. Me and Zeke, we're kind of figuring things out together. We're going through all of this. Just want to thank you for watching this short video. This is Ryan from
Riding in Style.
Riding in Style. Have a good one.
You do.
Yeah.